Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and battery. Removal. Important! Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna, webcam, and left speaker cables for later replacement. Remove the 2mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the power button board to the display enclosure. Remove the power button board from the alignment pins and retention tab on the display enclosure. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the volume board ZIF connector and disconnect the volume board ribbon cable from the volume board. Disconnect the left speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the left speaker, wireless antenna, and webcam cables from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Lift the left speaker off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the left speaker onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Route the left speaker, wireless antenna, and webcam cables through the routing channel on the display enclosure. Connect the left speaker cable into its connector on the system board. Insert the volume board ribbon cable into the volume board ZIF connector on the volume board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Tow the power button board under the retention tab and lower it onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the 2mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the power button board to the display enclosure.